Hey everybody, I hope you all are well. Welcome back to Madihaz Cooking. Today we're going to be making chicken noodle soup. So into a pot, I'm going to start off by adding 10 cups of water, and then I'm going to add 2 to 3 chicken thigh pieces depending on your taste. And we're going to let that boil for 15 to 20 minutes. While that's boiling, we're going to add oil, and I have celery, 2 medium celery sticks that I chopped up. You can use 1 large celery stick if you like. And then I have 1 large chopped up onion. If you don't have 1 large onion, you can use 2 medium-sized onions. That is totally up to you what you like. And we are going to let that sit there, and we're going to give it an occasional stir, and you're going to let this saute until it's a light golden brown color. So here you can see we have that beautiful light golden brown colored veggie mixture, and it's been about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to add 2 whole garlic cloves to the water and chicken thigh mixture. And now I'm adding the sauteed onion and celery mixture from before into our pot. And we're going to give that a quick stir. And here I'm adding corn. This is optional. You can use whatever vegetables you like. It's all up to you. You can use frozen or fresh corn. Here I have thinly sliced carrots. I used, for those of you wondering, I used 2 medium-sized carrots, or you can use 1 large one. And here I have red crushed chili flakes, 1 tablespoon, and this is also optional. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oregano. And we're going to give that a quick stir. And here we have black pepper. Give that another quick stir. And we're gonna take out the chicken pieces from before, and we're gonna shred them. You can shred them thinly or as long as you like. So here I had boiled pasta already in the fridge, but you can use pasta right out of the box. It's all up to you. This is just what I had. That's what I'm using. And now I'm going to add salt to taste and dill fresh or frozen for that nice fresh flavor. We're gonna give that all a nice stir. You can see the pasta in there. And now we're going to add the boiled shredded chicken, and after you add the chicken, you are going to let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, just so all the nice juices come out of all the stuff. And there you have it, our amazing, delicious chicken noodle soup. Winter is coming up, fall is near the corner, so I thought this would be a perfect recipe to share with all of you guys. Also, don't forget to please like, share, subscribe so I can make more videos like this in the future, and I will see you guys next time.